I am Dr. N.K. Venkataramana, Chief Neurosurgeon and Director Neurosciences, Brains Super Speciality Hospital, Lal Bagh, Siddhapura. Brain is a very precious jewel among all the organs in the body. Not only it directs the body and gets everything done, and we are able to do many things, achieve many goals because of the effectiveness of the brain. At the same time, while it controls every single point of the body, it also has a regulatory capability. So whenever there is a damage to the brain, the regulatory capability will turn directly into a disability. The part which is directing and controlling will become disabled because the direction and is not coming from the brain. Therefore, there will not be any action from the body in response to the signal from the brain. So this is the essence of the disability that causes. Now, a particular part of the brain is damaged, the corresponding part of the body will get paralyzed or disabled. Now, this is one thing is very important, that every part of the brain is directly related to the part of the body. Thus, it gives the instruction to the body, at the same time also takes the feedback that what is happening inside the body. So accordingly, it keeps modifying both during the day as well as at night. Even though we are sleeping, it keeps monitoring the body functions, modifies the body functions, and makes sure that everything happens in time wherever it is required. Unfortunately, when there is a brain damage, all these functions will become dysfunctional. Now, there are many causes why the brain can undergo damage. The commonest is the injury, is a road traffic accident. If it is not, the head is not protected properly, there is every possibility that brain can get injured and one part can be paralyzed. The second commonest cause is the stroke. The third is the brain hemorrhage, and of course later there can be variety of causes like brain infection, brain tumor, and other causes that injure the brain directly, lack of oxygen to the brain, intoxication, and a variety of things can damage the brain, either a particular part or some of them is the complete brain can undergo damage. Now, brain depends upon only for its nutrition only by the glucose as well as the oxygen. If 3 to 5 minutes time, if the blood supply is not there or the oxygen supply is not there, there is bound to be brain damage. It can be due to the injury or a variety of causes, or a hypoxia, lack of oxygen, or any lung injury. Many things can cause brain injury secondarily, and when that happens, this can be very temporary phenomena where a person can gradually recover with certain amount of disability, or the entire brain can get damaged in no time, causing the person completely disabled and bedridden. So all the physical capabilities, intellectual capabilities, emotional capabilities will completely disappear, just like that in few minutes. So it's very important that we make sure that every time we be aware of the presence of the brain and be aware of its requirements, and make sure that no amount of damage is caused to the brain by any means, so that we not only protect the brain, we keep on improving the abilities of the individual rather than subjecting the person to the disability.